Hello everyone. Have you ever heard about Hugging Face but are not sure what it does? So don't worry, you are at the right place. Today we are going to learn about the Hugging Face and its real-time use cases and its usage. So Hugging Face is a game changer of AI which will help you creating AI applications very easily. So now let's understand what is the Hugging Face. So Hugging Face is a website where anyone can find and use powerful AI tools, just like downloading an app, but for artificial intelligence. So Hugging Face is like a GitHub of AI models, where you can save your AI models, you can use it, you can share it with other users, your within the organization, with your teammates, and you can use it any model. So it's a website and platform where developer or any IT professional can share, use and build machine learning models, and they can use it in their application and they can make AI applications very easily. Most of the models are focused on natural language processing, which means working with text, speech, images, and video. How does it work in real world? So suppose you are texting customer support and instead of a human, a chatbot instantly understand your question and gives a helpful reply. So that chatbot might be powered by Hugging Face AI model. So Hugging Face provides thousands of pre-trained AI models that anyone can use in their application, like GPT for text generation, BERT for understanding the language, and there is Llama model for text generation and summarization. So there are many more AI models provided by the Hugging Face, which you can use in your application very easily, free of cost. These are all open source models, means you can see the code and you can do the changes and you can use in your application. You can create a chatbot like a chat GPT using the Llama model. You don't have to build the AI from the scratch. You can just use the model in your application and you can create a chatbot. And for text generation or for any AI related application, you can use AI model. It is very helpful in creating the AI model. And these days, these are very efficient, have widely used by all the organization to testing their models. It provides thousands of open source models. So what does Hugging Face provide? So AI model pre-trained brains that can do things like talk like ChatGPT, translate languages, describe images, write summaries, generate code. So all NLP, natural language processing tasks can be done by Hugging Face models. So these are large language models which you can use in your application. And there is also a function of spaces, Hugging Face spaces, where you can create your websites and applications. And also there are various websites, applications based on AI already created by developer. You can use those madam. You can use those application for free. Tools that developers and AI engineers use to add AI into their own apps, websites, or projects. So, what are the real life example? If you want to build a chatbot for your website, Hugging Face provides you pre-trained model which you can integrate to your application using the API, or also you can download it in local and you can use it in your application. If you need to summarize a new news article automatically, so there is a model for each every task in the Hugging Face. If you want to run image into a caption, so Hugging Face has all the model for all these tasks, and there are many more tasks for that. You can use those models. So now let's see the UI interface of Hugging Face. So this is the user interface. So here, so it provides huge list of AI models which you can use in your application. As per your task, you can filter it out and you can add it in your application. Like if you want to create a text classification model, so you can click select any model. Then these are the code that how this model and application built you can see. And if you want to use it, you can click on use this model, then transformers, and this is the process how you can use this model in your application. You can integrate it in your application. And data set. So there are data set which you can use to train your own model. If you want to train your model, so these are big data set which you can use. And spaces, as we discussed, this is very important part of Hugging Face. So this provides you facility that you can create your AI model in this space and you can share it with other users. Like if I am using the model here, let me select one model, select an application. There are pre-built application by some other user, so which you can use it, which you can use. So let me select one. Ghibli. Ghibli was in trend, right? So we can try it out. Ghibli multilingual text rendering. So here you can type, please create Ghibli, and you can drop an image. You can select an image here. So this is pre-built application by someone else. Some developer or any AI expert has created this application in this space and they have uploaded it in this. So here you can select the image and generate Ghibli art. If you want to add any description, so you can add here. Now it is generating Ghibli image. See, it has created. We have not done anything in this application. We are just using it. It is already pre-built. Someone has used the AI model from this Hugging Face and created this web application. If you want to see the code, so you can click on the files and you will see all the code and which models is being used. All details you can see in these codes. So these are open source. You can see the code and you can use it in your application. You can deploy it in your application. And there is a community also. So you can do some changes and you can raise a pull request. So this is like a GitHub where everyone can coordinate and can do the changes. And if you want to create your own application, that also we can do in these spaces. You can create your own web app and then it will be listed here. Then anyone else can use your application as well. So that we will see in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful. And please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more AI or DevOps related videos. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for joining. Have a great day ahead.